Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, back again with another video about the tools that are being offered in SEMRUSH. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want you all to head on over to serpwizz.com if you want to check our lead generation tool for any agencies looking to get white label audits on their website. So this lead generation tool is very useful and one that you would want to check out. And with that being said, I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below for you to be able to get our free guide showing how Serpwizz is generating thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So do check that out, and let's get on to our main topic for today, which is the one of the extra tools that SEMRUSH offers. And you can access that by going to this upper part on the tabs here, and we have discussed some of these already. The last one being tools for Amazon, and we'll be skipping a bit, and I will be discussing those in another video in a short while. But today we'll be focusing on custom reports by SEMRUSH. So yep, we are in order to use the custom reports by SEMRUSH. It allows you to have deep insight reports with the help of leading market analytics data for your business growth. So if you want a more insightful report about your business and your competitors and the likes, then this is something that you would want to check out. So this is an extra tool again from SEMRUSH. Remember, if this is your first time, or if you have been following our playlist, you would remember that we are using a free trial account here in SEMRUSH. But even with that free trial account, you can get access to these extra tools here. And SEMRUSH Custom Reports is just one of those tools. So here, let's just go a bit and explore what we can expect from this tool. So this is especially great for digital marketers, researchers and consultants, sales and e-commerce people, and as well as for investors. And knowing what this tool does, you would get an idea why this is a tool to use for these people. So this is the data that you can expect to get once you utilize the custom reports tool by SEMRUSH. So in terms of keywords, backlinks, crawled URLs, advertisers, and all of these. Of course, with the vast database that SEMRUSH has, you can only expect to get the best and the trendiest data from them. So that's one thing that you can get, one awesome thing that you can get from utilizing this tool. So in terms of reports, you get advertising insights. In terms of PPC big spenders, so you're gonna get an idea of which websites are spending the most on Google search ads, for example. And then you can also get insights about Google Shopping. You can request reports depending on what you want the specific reports to have. And here we just have some additionals about market research and state of the industry, deep traffic analysis report, and stuff like that. Google Serp Battleground. So these are really very useful tools that you can, or very useful reports rather, that you can get your hands on once you utilize the custom report tool. So if you want, you can see here we also have user behavior and site navigation, which comprises of competitive user journey and on-site search analysis that you can also request reports of. And yes, you can also get custom reports. So if you want to do so, just hit this button and you will be directed to the requirements of or what they need from you to be able to give you a custom report. So you can order your report here. Just type in the details that they need, and oops, yep, that is it. Yep, so that's basically how the custom report or the SEMRUSH custom reports work. You'd be sure to get tailored reports, easy access, quick delivery with no API needed. Plus, you also get historical data, which is going to be very useful when you're doing business online. So that is it for our video for today. I hope you found this one useful. And if yes, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, which is Serpwizz. And aside from that, I hope that you all found this video very helpful. And I just want to thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.